Hi everyone, so I did a bit of shopping this month and I have picked a lot of stuff online through Nykaa and Amazon.com, and this is going to be a collective haul. I'm going to show you a couple of skincare and then makeup products. Now, most of the makeup products are new launches. A couple of them are repeats, like I have picked the backups. So I'm going to show them to you one by one, and I'm going to mention all the prices and the links in the description box. So in case you're wondering which product is how priced how much, then you can probably look at the description box and you'll have all the information. So let's just quickly get into the haul. So the first product I'm going to talk about is Color Bar Amino Skin Radiant Foundation. Foundation comes in this kind of packaging. It looks really beautiful. It's quite an expensive product. This is for rupees 1200. There is the sponge. You press the sponge and the product will come out from this hole. So I was matched to shade beige mild 003, and that's what I have on my face today, and it looks pretty good. So the next product, there are a couple of products that I picked from Nika K, and these are the three products. This is the contour kit, contour duo. This is the blush duo. This is the highlighter duo. These three eye makeup products. This one is a brow pencil in charcoal grey. This is a black felt tip eyeliner, and this one is a dark brown retractable eyeliner. I have used all the products from Nika K for the look I'm wearing today, and this video should go up next, so I hope you guys enjoy it. This is like a new brand and I was getting so many requests. Yeah, there is one more product. This is Silky Matte Lipstick in shade Tosca. I hope that's how you pronounce it, because the shade is very pretty. It's like a mauve color. That's what I have on my lips today, and it's a beautiful shade. It's like a beautiful everyday color. The formula is so good. It's like a creamy matte. It doesn't look creamy on the lips, but it feels creamy and it is matte. It's not drying. Pigmentation is really good. So it's like worth your money. You can give it a shot. It's a beautiful formula. And I picked the Nykaa Skin Genius Compact. I picked the darkest shade, which is Warm Honey. But the shade is still a bit light for me. However, it works because the formula is sheer. So if you are wearing a BB cream or if you are wearing a foundation, it will work well over it. So the compact is quite bulky. This is the compact. It's quite bulky, as you can see. Here is the product. I've already used it like a couple of times. You have a sponge. It doesn't open completely. So the quantity you get is 9 grams. The quantity is good, but the packaging very bulky. One thing I never like about Nykaa products is the packaging. Even the lipstick that have magnetic cap are very bulky and big. This powder is again very bulky. The case is very bulky. Then since it's like getting hot here in Delhi already, I really wanted to pick a moisturizer for daytime. I picked the L'Oreal Hydra Fresh, and I tried it in store once and really liked how it felt on the skin. It is like a beautiful gel, and it doesn't feel heavy. It almost looks like a jelly, so I'm quite excited to try this out. This smells really good. Then from Color Bar only, this is another new launch. This is Fruit Drop Hydrating Hand Cream. I picked it recently, and the sales executive demoed it on my hand. I have forever dry hand. Especially the cuticles, the nail bed is very dry. So packaging is really nice. It's like the silver tube, and you get 100 ml of product. Sorry, 80 grams. You get 80 grams, and this is priced at rupees somewhere around 450 or something. So I haven't used it yet. I tried it in the store once and it felt really good. It was not sticky or greasy, so I thought it's a good thing. I picked the Face Shop Fresh Soothing Lotus Gel. This is the top. Can you see? It's humongous. This is a 300 ml product. I already have aloe vera gel from Face Shop and I really like it. I use it all the time. And I thought of picking the Lotus Gel. I wanted to see how it is. And this is really beautiful. The product inside is also very beautiful. So it comes with this protective lid. And then you have pink colored jelly here. It smells good. It smells obviously like flowers. So this is a 285 ml product, and this is fresh lotus soothing gel is made up of clear glass-like beads that contains lotus flower extracts from Jeju Island. This multi-purpose gel protects against harmful environment aggression, soothes tired skin, and can be used daily or after sun exposure. I use my aloe vera gel after sun all the time. Whenever I come from outside, I use a thick layer of aloe vera gel on my face and keep it on till it dries completely, then wash it off. So that's how it keeps my complexion from getting tanned or dull. I really like using aloe vera gel, so I'm kind of excited about this gel as well. So since summer is here, I picked two sunscreens from Lotus. This is a tinted one and this is the gel one. I remember using tinted one when I was working, and I really like this one. It's really good if you are looking for a product with a small amount of tint just to even out your complexion. This is really good. This is just Herbal 3-in-1 Matte Look Daily Sunblock. Comes with an SPF of 40. And then if you're not looking for a tint and if you're looking for something that can work under your makeup, a gel based product preferably, then this UV Screen Matte Gel with SPF 50 is really good. This is Matte Look Oil Control. When I picked these two, Lotus was on sale on Nykaa. I guess I got good 15-20% discount on each of them. So it was a good deal. Then I picked L'Oreal Super Liner, all the 3 gel liners, black, brown and blue. I don't even have a gel liner. It's been ages. I am using that Innisfree liquid liner. I do not have a gel liner. The last time I got a gel liner was from Faces. I don't like it much because it just kind of shears, so I went back to my old trusted favorite one. These eyeliners are so good. They stay on for a long time. The pigmentation is really good, and L'Oreal was on 25% off. So these gel eyeliners, I got them for like 600 and something rupees each. So this is a good deal because I've already tried these eyeliners and really like the formula. And I really need good eyeliners for my videos as well as for my everyday makeup. There is a new launch by L'Oreal, which is this Lumi Liquid Glow Illuminator. I picked this in shade Golden Door. I'm kind of really excited to try this out because I do not have a liquid highlighter in place at the moment. I had the liquid eye highlighter from Faces, but I gave it away to one of my friends because she really liked it. So I'm quite excited to try this out. I'll use it in one of my future videos, so just keep a lookout for that. I picked 2 lip liners from Essence. One is in shade, one is a red and another is again red, but this red is quite bright and this is like quite a deep cherry tone red. Essence eyeliners are really cheap. They are like for around 125 rupees each. And I picked the brow pomade from Maybelline. I haven't even opened it yet. I just received it in my I ordered it from Nykaa. It's not a press sample. This is the brow pomade and I picked it in shade dark, I guess. I don't remember the shade name, but it was the darkest shade they have available. This is like a nice cool tone brown. I'm not sure how it's going to work, but I'll use it in my future video for sure. This is like a fat crayon. Then I received this LA Girl this is this LA Colors lipstick. This is a matte lipstick. I've already used it once and it's a beautiful formula and it looks absolutely gorgeous. This is in shade number CML 470 Starlet. This is the pink tone red and it looks really beautiful. Very beautiful. It's a matte formula. It glides on smoothly. It stays on for a really long time and it looks absolutely smashing. Makeup Revolution sent me their Face Sculpt Duo. This is a matte product with a highlighting powder and a contour powder. The pan looks really big. It is actually a really big pan, and I will try it on one of my videos and you guys will see how it looks on because I haven't even swatched it yet. The last product I have is from LA Girl. This is the eyeshadow palette and it looks so cute. This is a tin and it's in shade number Naturally Beautiful. These eyeshadows look really good and really perfect for like everyday makeup. There is a small brush here as well. I can't wait to try this. So there are a lot of products now in my haul that I'm going to try in my next video. Then I picked one primer from Natio. This is the primer. This is Ageless Illuminating Primer and I have already used it once and I really like the feel of it. It makes my skin nicely hydrated and it lets the product go on really smoothly. It's not a silicone based primer if I'm not wrong because I do not feel the presence of silicone in it. But it's very moisturizing. It has aloe vera, shea butter, and it softens the skin. Definitely, it makes my skin really soft. It hydrates, and I really love it. So then I went to the Native Bloggers Meet, and they gave me a couple of goodies. So that was one thing. Then I have the eye contour gel. I haven't used it yet because I'm using entire line from Oriflame. The skincare, I had changed my skincare regime. I'm using the Eco range from Oriflame. I'm going to do a video on it very soon. I'm really loving the results. Then I have this gentle scrub from Native, and this product I purchased. This is intensive hand cream. I can never have enough hand creams. This is what I purchased after the sales executive recommended it. This is like a 240 ml product, and this is for 700 rupees. And the best part about it, what I like the most is that it comes in this pump bottle, so I can keep it on my table and use it whenever I want to, because generally I get very lazy when it comes to squeezing a tube and everything. I don't even remember using it, so I keep it on my table and use it whenever I wash my hands, because that's something I do a lot of times since I have a kid. I hope you guys enjoyed this beauty and makeup haul, and I really wanted to buy the L'Oreal Rouge lipsticks, the new ones. I placed an order from Nykaa, but they did not deliver the product, and they delayed it so much that I had to cancel it. So whenever I go to the mall, I might pick a couple of shades from them, or I'm not sure. I'm still not sure, but I'm confused between that one and Nykaa K lipsticks. This one is really good. I might pick more shades from this one. I want to swatch L'Oreal one first, because I want to see if they are worth the money, because this one is definitely worth your money. This is not inexpensive. This is like for 550 rupees, and L'Oreal is like for 650, 675 rupees. So this one is like priced better, and I really like the formula and everything, and they stay on for a really long time on the lips, so which is amazing. So I really like this lipstick from Nykaa K. And just let me know if you want me to do a swatch video on the Nykaa K lipsticks, because that's what I have on my lips right now, and it feels pretty good. That was all I picked in my recent haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. If you're watching me for the first time, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Till then, bye.